Hi, how's it going? We prepared this meal for you to make Mother's Day a cinch for your loved ones and pretty much anyone you care about. And we just took this right out of our butcher bag. We walked in the store and we said, hey, we want to make our moms happy. What can you do for us? So right here we start with our house-made mashed potatoes, a nice butter on top, very creamy and delicious. Next up, we have a roasted Brussels sprouts with crispy pancetta and lemon. Very clean, very nice combination. And then our star of the dish, we have our artichoke and spinach stuffed chicken breast. Everything's pre-cooked. We're really just heating it up to perfection. So it's nice and warm, ready to plate, ready to enjoy. Right, Steve? We preheated to 350 degrees. And we're just gonna take our ready-made meals, already cooked, and warm them up in the oven. Alright, so right now we're gonna plate our wedge salad as our first course. I'm just gonna open it up. It's perfect for 2 people. All we gotta do to plate this is just transfer it to the plate. Once we're ready to enjoy this, we can go check on the rest of the food that's in the oven. All right, got a couple minutes left on the food in the oven, so we're gonna heat up our finishing sauce. What I'm gonna do is put it in a microwavable safe container. We just use a little glass cup, and we're gonna put it right in the microwave. All right, the time is up. Now we're gonna take our delicious food out of the oven. It's really easy. Now all we have to do is plate. We're going to start with our mashed potato. Oh, these things are so creamy. I fold the butter right inside. Look at that. Get our nice creamy mashed potatoes right there on the plate, followed by our crispy Brussels sprouts. Put that all around our mashed potato. And last but not least, the star of the dish, be our stuffed chicken breast. Carefully remove it, and I like to put it right on top there. And also, with this package, you do receive a nice little buttery chicken sauce. So I like to just put a little bit right on top. Let it just cascade down all around. And then to finish like a pro, we got our mold-on sea salt. Nice, crunchy, flaky. If you're not into the salt, you don't have to put it on. But you gotta eat your greens. And let's finish with a nice little fresh parsley on top, just like the chefs do with the fancy restaurants. But we're not there, we're at home, where we like to be with our moms on Mother's Day.